Quick reading for November the 9th to November the 10th, Earth signs. So ang nakikita natin dito, medyo you're about to give up, no? Dito sa connection na ito. Probably you already gave up. There's something about here separating yourself from the equations. Um, Nakikita natin dito with the Nine of Pentacles, parang, yes, I love you, but I feel like unhappy. Pero kasi nung nawala ka, I feel like ito naman si person, para itong Tom and Jerry, naghahabulan kayong dalawa. Nung siya yung nahabol mo, wala siyang pakialam. Nung nawalan ka na ng gana, siya naman ngayon yung may pakialam. With the Two of Cups, the emotions are there. It felt like hindi lang magtagpo yung wavelength ninyo, no? There must be something wrong with the speed or the pace of your connection. Nandun yung emotion eh. Nandun yung emotion, nandun yung love. But then again, I think like hindi talaga, you're not on the same boat. You're probably not living on the same address. You're probably not reading the same pages, no? There's actually misunderstanding in here, pero kaya tong lutasan eh, no? Quick reading, Earth signs for November the 9th to November the 10th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling